haven't posted in a while. Mainly as things happen, family, COVID, and a few other bits and pieces. But it's back. The frame has returned from the powder coaters. Have a look at this. How about that? What a cracking colour. That was about as closest as I could find to the colour the wife had chosen, which was from the BMW range for a BMW 2002. I think it was called Colorado. But yeah, so it came in from the States. And it's come up an absolute treat. Absolute treat. And the good thing, the nice thing is the guy's done all the tapping on the threads for me, which was very nice of him. It was really, really nice. But yeah, that has come up an absolute dream. What an amazing colour. Forks as well. Haven't come up too badly. Well, if I wanted to stand out, I've certainly got it. All I've got to do now is start putting it all back together again. That's the fun bit. Although I will say, I have had a couple of attempts at trying to rebuild said wheels, and so far I'm 3 for 3 failures. Somehow I am getting it really, really wrong with the spacing, which just completely utterly baffles me. I must have watched 7, 8 different videos and gone over a couple of videos again and again and again about relacing a wheel, rethreading a wheel. So I'm going to have another crack and see how we get on. I've got the new spokes now, so they're already here, but yeah, I'm not having much luck with one of these. These are a lot more difficult than I imagined. Hey, once I've cracked it, at least I've got the fork back, then I can actually start looking at that truing wheel look that way. But yeah, let's give it another go and see how we get on. Now that can't be right. In fact, that is not right at all. So, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, can't go on that one. From the right, it's got to be that one. And that one goes in. Which then goes to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drat. I'm going to have to go back and have a look at the video again. See, if I miss one and go in there, it says I should. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got an error, we got a problem here. Have we got this right? Oh, for the love of Mary. Okay, so we are one side completed. Wow! That went better than I thought. That went a lot better than I thought. Whew. Right. But I'm looking at this and thinking to myself, there's a problem here. I'm not sure what it is. So, this one now comes up, boom, boom, crosses 1, crosses 2, goes under the 3rd, and supposedly it goes in that hole there, but look at it. There's a distance between there and there. I've got something wrong here. I've crashed and burned again. I don't know where I've gone wrong. So either you see, that side looks right. Ugh. I haven't rushed it at all. But yeah, it doesn't look right. At all. Doesn't look right in any sense of the word. Right. So I've got all the spokes. So there's the first one. Threaded from the inside, over 1, over 2, under the 3rd, miss a hole, then insert. So the next one is up, so we go over 1, over 2, under the 3rd, miss 1 hole, there we go. Right. Up and under. Across 1, across 2, under 3rd. It might be easier for me to put that in there first and twist it from the inside. Yeah, it is. Good. Right. Okay, cross 1, cross 2. Under the 3rd, miss a hole. Oh, dig in. There we go. Right. Back again. Oh, cross 1, cross 2. Under 3, try not to bend it too much or scrape the rim. Buff. Right. Bonk. Cross 1, cross 2. Yeah. That's typical, isn't it? So, how are we? Cross 1, cross 2, cross 3, miss 1 hole. How many have I got left? This is... okay. 1, 2, under the 3rd, miss 1 hole. Ugh. Cross 1, cross 2. That's number 3 underneath there. Alright, last one this side. That's not a spoke, it's a bit of brass rod. Cross 1, cross 2, under the 3rd. Oh my word, right, we've got one side complete. Okay. So, time to pick a hole. Alright, I think we'll take that one there. And we will go cross 1, cross 2, under the 3rd, buff. And that, I'd say, is pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh, it works. It fits, it fits, it fits, it fits, it fits, it fits. Right, so a little heads up. Apparently Mark 1 and Mark 2 spokes, front and rear wheel, are exactly the same as Mark 3's. So they're the same length. So cross 1, cross 2, under the 3rd. One, two. Oop. Under 3. Right, so cross 1, cross 2, under the 3rd. Nipple. Push that through. Boom, boom, boom. cross 1, cross 2, third. One, two, three. I very much doubt the front wheel will be any easier. One, two. Right, 2 left. That should be right. Yep. Lost 2. 1, 2. Under the third. Bing bong bonk. Where are we? Cross 1, cross 2, under the third. That's it, last one in. Oh my, oh my. Done. I have officially laced my first ever wheel. That's actually quite impressive when you look at it. Now, I think that's the easy bit. The hard bit now is lacing it and squaring it, truing it all up. At least I got the forks back. I can use that like a that does sound good in there. Yeah, freewheel seems to be working all right in there. So yeah, done and dusted. First wheel.